In this lesson, we will look at the other options in the Power Apps Studio that we haven't covered yet. Up the top here, we have the dynamic command bar. By dynamic, we mean that it will show a different set of commands based on the control that's selected. In the previous lessons, we worked with the Insert Controls menu bar and saw how to add our different UI elements. With our tutorial screen selected, next in the menu is the Add Data option. Here we can select any existing tables from the current environment, and we can search and select a connector such as SharePoint or SQL Server. We saw how to add new screens from the tree view, and we can see we can do it from here too. In the Theme menu, we can select any default theme from the available presets. For example, the currently selected theme is called Coral, which comes with red-colored UI elements like our red browse button. We can change the background color and even add a background image like a company brand image. At the end here, we have our Setting tab that allows us to configure the app's general settings. And finally, the three dots show two other options: App Version History and Open. If I now select the button control, the command bar will show options related to that control, such as the text formatting options or button background color. I'm going to change the background color of this button to blue. We can see that the command bar is mostly the same for the other controls on this screen, except for our image. It makes sense that we don't have the same options as the controls that have text in them. We have now covered most aspects of the Power Apps Studio interface. In the next lesson, we will learn how to save and publish our working app.